Hello, and welcome to Galaxy Unpacked. It's expressed in its name, FE, Fan Edition. As a tribute to our Galaxy fans, we're setting a new standard of making uncompromising flagship innovations accessible to as many people as possible. The Galaxy S20 FE.
A design element that quite literally caught the eye with the Galaxy Note 20 unveil was the Mystic Bronze color and haze finish. When it came to the color and design of the S20 FE, we knew from listening to our fans that they expected a fresh new look. From dozens of potential colors, we selected a final 6 that blend the aesthetic intent of our designers with the inspiration they received from fans around the world. Navy, for a contemporary modern style that is timeless but sleek. Red, for confident and expressive souls filled with youth and passion. Lavender, elegance, otherworldly charm, and calm sophistication. Mint, the cool luminescence of an iceberg on the ocean. White, pure and precious, a beauty that is filled with light. Orange, playful and lively, a vibrant morning full of life. These colors are united by a single theme, subtle illumination. With a delicate reflection of the light, they take on a newly warm and emotional quality. A key aspect of this is the haze finish. Beginning in 2015, designers began seeking their optimum surface, while engineers carried out tests for strength, sensitivity, and other physical properties. This lengthy research led to the first haze finish on the S9 Gold color and continued through the recently launched S20 Plus BTS edition. Through countless experimentation on the haze finish, we finally found a level that truly brings out the beauty of all 6 colors. The S20 FE stands as a new milestone in Samsung's unceasing efforts to push boundaries and meet the highest expectations of its fans.
Thanks, Claire. A display is more than just a screen. It's where you interact with your world all day, moment by moment. And the S20 FE is your new choice for an entirely flat screen. Let's see how it looks. The S20 FE has a 6.5-inch large Super AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution in our smoothest scrolling screen. We're proud to tell you, the S20 FE has a top-of-the-line super smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Just look at the difference between the 60Hz and the 120Hz. Scrolling through your feed has never felt smoother, with 2 times the refresh rate. Whenever something amazing happens, we're lucky enough to have a camera in our pocket to catch the scene and have it forever. The S20 FE's triple lens camera has a 12-megapixel wide, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and an 8-megapixel telephoto lens. This pro-grade camera makes capturing and telling stories more exciting than ever. When you take an awesome photo of your friend and want to share it with them right away, Nearby Share makes swapping photos so easy. It automatically detects nearby users, so you can easily share files with Android devices. When you're taking photos, Send the photo you just shot on your S20 FE to your friend's Galaxy Tab S7 Plus. But sometimes the most wonderful things are happening far in the distance. With 30 times space zoom, she can get as close as she wants from wherever she is. The S20 FE has a front camera with ultra-high 32-megapixel resolution. You want the best shot, but you're not sure how to get it. This is where single take comes in. Here, let me take a quick shot of Jaden. Jaden's on the court, as always, doing his daily drills. His skills get sharper when he gets to see how he practiced. With single take, capture an instant moment from multiple perspectives. Single take takes the guesswork out of photography. When set at its maximum take time of 15 seconds, you get up to 10 photos of 4 different types and 4 different kinds of videos. A total of 14 results just from one tap. All of them are saved for you so you can look through and pick the best ones. Also, when you're moving and want footage without the shakiness, Super Steady comes to the rescue. Stay in motion while your video stays smooth. To get the most out of your camera, you need strong performance under the hood. Let's hand it over to my colleague Michael, who'll tell us more.
Thanks, Amruta. The S20 FE has the same latest chipset as the rest of the S20 series to bring powerful performance to your day. As a proven 5G industry leader, we continue our 5G journey with the S20 FE to help speed up your life. The Galaxy S20 FE comes with 128 or 256 gigabytes built-in storage, giving you enough space for thousands of photos and videos. And with expandable memory, you won't have to worry about monthly fees to get more space. Broadens into an expansive ecosystem, which we showed you in our August Unpacked. With the S20 FE, you can experience all the connectivity it has to offer, uninterrupted. Let's see what an all-day intelligent, fast-charging battery gives you. Fully rested and charged, you already know it's gonna be a packed day. Your morning routine keeps you balanced, you catch up with your friends in the afternoon, and reward yourself with some Xbox before bed. Even then, you've still got power to spare. Powering up is totally convenient. All you need to do is lay your phone on a wireless charger pad. Or, using 25-watt super fast charger, a short power nap takes your phone from 0 to more than 50% charge in 30 minutes. And wireless power share. This lets you help out a friend by charging their phone's S20 FE is IP68 rated, so you don't need to worry about getting it a little wet. It's coming to you on October 2nd, and pre-order starts today. The best innovations with no compromises. We're welcoming more fans into our Galaxy S20 family. Furthermore, the S20 FE comes with Samsung Global Goals app, a tool dedicated to education and donation in partnership with the United Nations Development Program,
making it even more valuable for our fans. The Galaxy S20 FE comes with Super AMOLED display with super smooth 120Hz, triple lens camera, hyper-fast 5G with our latest S20 chipset, all-day intelligent battery, OS upgrades up to 3 generations, and many other valuable features. All expertly packaged into this one powerful device, which comes in 6 thoughtfully curated colors with a beautiful haze finish. The Galaxy S20 FE opens up a fresh and exciting way to experience flagship innovation and express your true self. All you want, to do all you love. Thank you for joining us today. Until we see you again, stay safe.